If you ever started a project thinking, how hard can it be?
3, 2, 1, let's go!
And 5 minutes later, you're standing there like... So, who thought this was a good idea?
Did you order this rain? Nope. It's like a wet diaper hitting you in the face.
Congratulations, you're our people.
We tackle real builds and real renovations.
This harness is a little tight. I sure hope Mandy doesn't want to have more kids. Can't believe this is the top.
We're almost there.
We're gonna start a construction company.
Have you lost your mind?
And real experts who actually do this for a living.
Relationship expert Vicky here with me, one of my favoriteest people in the whole wide world.
And real life.
I love that we get to do this.
The good,
designer.
the messy,
It's Halloween.
and the why is this taking 3 trips to the store moments.
So beautiful.
Gourmet grilled cheese, take one.
There's cooking,
A hula shake?
Design,
wellness, and family.
and we break it all down so it actually makes sense.
People always say, Mark, how do you work with your wife? But the real question is, how does
do
your
I
wife work with you? There we go.
That is it.
Because no one lives in just one category.
Then let's paint.
And no one has it all figured out.
Stop making it so ugly. Why does life have to be so ugly? Make it a little pretty.
But it's way more fun figuring it out together.
Use those muscles, baby. Come on.
Check out this kitchen.
It is my personal favorite part in this home. Oh, I'm so happy with it.
This is
Hello, everyone.
Hello,
the Marc and Mandy Show.
We're in it together. Right?
Always.
Always.